This is a strange view, isn't it? Hi guys, it's Jenny from Cabbage Patch and Barbie Rescue. I'm working on transitioning all of my doll options to being articulated on what I'm calling the Jenny Barbie universe. So I cannot afford articulated and made to move bodies for every doll that I want to have, because variety is the spice of life, is it not? So I'm doing what the dollhouse curator does, and I'm matching up my skin tones with heads, because you know there are so many cute heads out there, but then they're on bodies that are not articulated. So here we go. I have them lined up from lightest to darkest, and I found this is the Dumbledore. He has some articulation. Some of these I had listed on my eBay as non-articulated, and I'm like, oh, they don't fit my collection. And then I realized I could do this instead. So these dolls will all match this skin tone. These dolls will all match this skin tone. These dolls, got a couple of vintage there, will match the skin tone. Now I will say the vintage ones are gonna kind of have a giraffe neck situation. It's not that good, but maybe they're wearing a scarf. I think it'll be okay. If they were in a collared shirt, it'd be okay. So that's where we're at right now.